Good morning, everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Desi Aprilia. I am from class 1F. Today, I'm going to tell you a famous fairy tale called Sleeping Beauty. It's a story about magic, a wicked fairy, and a beautiful princess. Let me begin the story. Sleeping Beauty. There was once a king and queen who waited a long time to have a child. When at last the queen gave birth to a baby girl, they were so excited that they held a big party to celebrate her christening. The king and queen invited all 7 fairies in their kingdom, who came with very special present for the baby. The king had solid gold plates, knives, and forks made for them. But there was an 80th fairy who had been forgotten. She came stomping into the castle. Quickly, the servants laid a place for her at the table, but the plate, knife, and fork were made of gold. One of the younger fairies, sensing trouble, hid a sand as it was time to give the presents. The first fairy gave the princess the gift of beauty. The second gave a good temper. The third gave grace. The fourth gave a wonderful singing voice. And the fifth and the sixth fairies bestowed gift of dance and music. Then the angry fairy said, "And when she is 16, she will break her finger and die." Imagine everyone's horror. But the young fairy in hiding came out and sighed, "She will not die, she will fall asleep, and so will all the court. After 100 years, a prince will wake up our little princess with a kiss." The next day, the king banned all needles from the kingdom. But when the princess was 16, she stumbled across a secret staircase in the castle. At the top was a woman spinning at wheel. The princess had never seen a spinning wheel and waited to touch it. Immediately, the spindle pricked her finger and she fell down. Her parents found her and laid her on the best bed in the castle. Then they fell asleep too, along with the servants, cats, and dogs. 100 years had passed when a young prince found a headgear of the thorny roses. As he touched them with his sword, they sprang apart. Behind the hedge was a castle. The prince went inside and found everyone half asleep. The prince roamed through the castle until he found the room where the princess lay. He bent down and kissed the sleeping beauty. The princess smiled and sat up, enthused to find the prince there. The prince and princess soon fell in love. Meanwhile, everyone in the castle was stirring. The wicked fairy's spell was broken at last, and And as for the prince and princess, they lived happily ever after. That is the end of it. That is the end of my story. The story of Sleeping Beauty teaches us that patience and hope are important in life. Even when everything seems to stop, time continues to move, bringing new chances. Aurora's long sleep represents a period of growth and change before entering adulthood. The story also reminds us that kindness and goodness can overcome evil, and that love, care, and responsibility from others help protect us during difficult times. Thank you for attention.